What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Should I say Skana Bees because I changed my Instagram handle, but I am Skana. It's just Skana right here. Today we're just having a little cook up at the house, a different type of setup. You know, I like to change up the setup from time to time because it gives me different inspiration. And look at this backdrop, you know, in the living room cooking up. We're not gonna talk much today, but I kind of want to make like a beat for Don Toliver, his latest album, Octane, which is super fire in my opinion. You guys know I'm a Don Toliver fan. UniSynth told me they dropped a new plugin called UniSynth, so I had to check it out, and I'm using it in this video. So if you want to check it out, link is in the description. Make sure to go check it out because we got a lot to go over in the next video. So make sure to subscribe and let's get it. fire as fuck. I love this. Sorry for not talking, but I was locked in like always. But make sure to go check out UniSynth. It's super fire in my opinion. I had a lot of fun using it. Different, like, it really has a variety of options to go about when making a beat, you know. In my opinion, if you don't have inspiration or you're tired of your VSTs that you're using, this is perfect for you, because that's just like endless possibilities, you know. You just like can generate patches like you saw in the video. But yeah, the creativity was just coming and flowing, you know, like always. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Got a lot more content on the way. Make sure to be on the lookout for that as well. If you haven't checked out this video yet, where I explain why I disappeared on YouTube, and I'm back now, go check it out. Love you guys. Peace.